What inspired you to pursue that particular sports? Who are your role model? Na-inspired ko ka na kon bugto nga hiati nga nagputsaliwat kay parang na-inspired ako iya nga magputsaliwat asit nga iya na nagputsal na. What were the preparations you made for this event? Nagti-training kami every afternoon didihitamon court tapos si klase. What are some of the challenges you face? Siyempre, di ba na tas kailangan ko talaga i-balance it ko ang pagiging student athlete. What is an inspirational messages would you like to share with the students of ISU? I-personate yung karayag na sports para ma-achieve niyo yung karayag, tas tiyo karayag na mahingad like so gayet karag hingad to hit mga karayo nga lugar sa kalit giwan tas kailangan daman niyo mag-prepare hit mga training para ma-achieve niyo tas kung gaano kang pagaling.
Thank you so much and for interview. Pwede po ba may parang team name po in sports?
So my name is Christian Jesar Bautista from BSE 1A and Sport Quiz Football.
I have a 3 questions ko if it's okay for you.
Yes, ma'am.
First po is, what inspired you to pursue that particular sports and who are your role models?
So first, game ko na kasi to since bata pa ako, since elementary. So yun, na-pursue ko to. And my role model, syempre yung mga idol ko, which is sila Ronaldo.
Second is, what were the preparations you have made for this event and what are some of the challenges you faced?
So sa preparation naman, syempre training, everyday kasi training kami and discipline na rin. Syempre student athlete kami, so kailangan namin i-balance yung time namin sa pag-aaral and of course sa paglalaro. And challenges naman, tulad ngayon sobrang init, mahirap maglaro tapos sobrang pagod, and syempre isa pa yung nung first day sobrang init tapos biglang umulan, so yung weather talaga kalaban namin dito. Rain or shine kasi tong laro namin.
Okay ba? And last question please, what is an inspirational message would you like to share with the students of ISU?
So as a student athlete, message ko lang sa mga student na kagaya ko is enjoy nyo lang yung college life and syempre makipag-close na rin, yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you for having me.
Good morning po po. Pwede po maas po kung team name po, tas kung ano po team sports.
My name is Yasser and my sport is Arnis.
I have 3 following questions. Is it so okay? What inspired you to pursue that particular sports and who are your role models?
Na-inspired ako na kuya kay gusto naman hiyang Arnis player. Kasi hiyat ako role model ko ba. Kasi gin-inspired ako niya kay na kasi niya na kay Braset na inspired ako niya mo.
Thank you. What were the preparations you have made for this event and what are some of the challenges you face?
Ang preparation siguro. Kuan kasi ang schedule ng training. Nagkakakuanhan. Anitan ng school. May naman kasi ng mga school works din. Tapos bulig naman yung publication. So, may kuan na. Direct nakakapag-prepare good talaga itong sport. Tapos anak na ako anak na nasama kasi.
And what are some of the challenges you face or what were the preparations you have made for this event?
Aside nga ang challenges siguro. Aside nga duda kasi it category hit kuan aron is may da combative ngayon kuan synchronize anyo it nga magkukuan ka para mag-exhibition ka. So set nga warak pa kapag ang challenge nga warak pa na challenge alit na kuan warak pa kapag preparehan kuanhan exhibition. So di dala kan labanan na set nga labanan la warak pa contestan exhibition.
And this is the last question. What is an inspirational message would you like to share with the students of this school?
For me, nasusugod la is kuan. Don't ay niyo forset yung sarili kin mga training so good it. Ngayon, dapat maintain let iyo kuan academic and your training. So that para di rin ma-apektuhan ito iyo kuan academic performances.
Thank you so much. Thank you po, Kuya.